Hi, it's me, Psycho. Today, I like to talk about warrior energy. Okay, we'll start now. Warrior energy can be described as determination, discipline, and a strong focus on protecting loved ones. The characteristics are mainly used for battles. Why do we feel we have to fight for our lives? Why do we always feel we must defend and protect ourselves and our loved ones by fighting? After all, what are we exactly protecting and from whom? If we did not experience defeat, we would not know what is it like to be defeated. It meant a slavery for our whole lives and losing our human dignity and the sense of aliveness, lushness, and after all, freedom to live as we choose. We kept fighting because we did not want to feel the same pain, even though we already had that trauma. Throughout history, fighting has been our way of life. We physically fought in the war and later financially fought for survival. We fought for our family, children, and ourselves for survival. We thought the world was dangerous and our family was in danger. Men needed to be strong to protect women's vulnerability and our children's innocence. The exact same was happening inside us. We were trying to protect the innocence of our inner child and the vulnerability of our hearts. We all were warriors with and without choice. We were alert 24/7. Sometimes we attacked our enemy before we got attacked, out of fear that we may experience the pain again. Even only by the thought of possibly being attacked, we were already in a combat state. We lived to prepare to avoid the tragedy of the possible attack. We were in a state of paranoia, almost, but that's what trauma does. We lost trust in ourselves and life. For survival, we thought we needed to sacrifice everything we had. We ran the warrior program self-sufficiently and were busy participating in it. We were a slave to the program. All the invaders did was keep giving the masses fear to the extent that the self-sufficient warrior program kept running. We continuously ran the program because we believed it to be true. We did not even know what we were fighting for anymore. The ones who lost their purpose of fighting became a danger to everybody. We fought for the sake of battle. The fight without a purpose turned into just violence. The victim by the perpetrator became the perpetrator, and this became a chain of violence. Our warrior energy was used to maintain the invaders' power and control. They wanted us to consume our energy to fight for our survival. In fact, we kept this warrior program running because we could not let go of our fear. Therefore, we live in a world that we created based on the fear. Thank you for listening, and see you in another section. Bye.